In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add conversion rate in Looker Studio, whether you're utilizing GA4's built-in metrics or custom event metrics. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring that you can easily incorporate these valuable insights into your reports. To start with, let's consider the first option, which involves using GA4's built-in conversion rate metrics. This method is particularly straightforward if you have a GA4 data source connected via the native connector. Looker Studio, in this instance, might already offer you some convenience with metrics like session conversion rate and user conversion rate. These are handy because they provide key insights into how effectively your sessions or users are converting on your website or app. Now, to leverage these metrics in Looker Studio, you'll begin by selecting the chart in which you want to display the conversion rate. This could be a scorecard, a table, or perhaps a time series, depending on the kind of analysis you are aiming for and the visual appeal you desire. Once you've selected the chart, you will move to the Setup panel. Here, you will look for the metric you're interested in, such as the session conversion rate. Once located, you can simply drag and drop this metric into the metric section on your chart. This step essentially integrates the conversion data into your visualization. To enhance clarity, you might want to give this metric a more intuitive or user-friendly name. You can do this by clicking the pencil icon, which allows you to rename the metric to match the specific context of your analysis, or simply to make it more digestible for your audience. Opting for GA4's built-in metrics is arguably the simplest and most efficient route if these options are already present in your setup. This method minimizes the need for complex configurations, thereby allowing you to swiftly focus on analyzing the data and drawing insights. It streamlines the process significantly, so you can dedicate more time to strategic thinking based on the insights you've gathered. Throughout this video, remember that understanding the conversion rate of your sessions or users offers powerful insights into the effectiveness of your marketing strategies and can significantly influence decision-making. Whether you're a seasoned analyst or new to Looker Studio, mastering these steps will undoubtedly enhance your reporting capabilities and provide clearer insights into your conversion metrics. So let's dive in and make sure your Looker Studio dashboard is as informative and actionable as possible.